This is a quick getting started video for the JPIC using the Jade environment. We run the Jade installer package. We accept the agreement. Next. How much space does it use? Yeah, it uses about 2.5 gigs of space, so it's large. Create a desktop shortcut. Next, install. Now, this takes quite a while, but I'm going to run it in real time so you can see how long it actually takes to get started. An honest how long it takes to get started. So, while we wait, we might as well have a look at the JPIC. It has a little screen on top. The screen is supported by a little spacer. The screen plugs into the center. Here's a one without the screen on it. Plugs into the center header, a header in the center of the board, and you can see all the innards underneath it. Yes, and it's still loading. So what else should we say about it? It's got all the names of the pins on the inside. These pins are not connected to anything because there's not enough pins to connect everything to fill those pins. For some of the pins, like the ones with the LEDs on, the names are written on the bottom, and it's the same with the transmit and receive data to the UART. Anyway, that's installed, so we'll launch Qt Creator, which is the IDE, the Integrated Development Environment. It'll open up into the examples window, and as you move your mouse over them, it tells you about the application. So the Blinky example is the canonical Hello World example for microcontrollers. So we can left click it, and it asks us to configure the project. If you've only got JPIC kit on your computer, you'll only see the JPIC. If you have other Qt kits, you'll see other things. But we click configure project, and we're brought into the Hello World source code. So at this point, we plug in, if I can find it, plug in our board. So we've got our 3 panes. We've got projects panes, open documents pane, and the document that's open, which is main.c. We'll compile it and run it, the green arrow, and the hammer will just build it. So we want to build and run it, so we click run. It thinks for a while. It opens up JPIC bootable. It says it's read the file successfully, it's connected to the hardware, and we click burn. So now that's burnt, you can see indeed the 2 little LEDs are blinking. That's all it takes to install and build and burn a example file application to the JPIC. Problems that might occur, let's see. Well, when JPIC bootable started, we only have one COM port on the computer, so it was going to find the right COM port. If we had multiple devices connected, we might have to actually select the correct serial port. You'll notice that it has CH340. That's whichever one has CH340 will be the correct port. Speed default is fine. Echo off, that doesn't matter. Possible that the drivers don't work, maybe, but I have never seen that happen with this particular serial to USB chip. So that's a simple intro on how to build and compile and install. So we can go to File, Close All Project and Editors, and we're back to this, the welcome screen, welcome examples. If you want to run the Blinky example again, you will get a different window. It will be this, and all you do then is click edit, and that will take you to the editing part of the program. And that's it.